What's up, everybody? iCrazy Gaming here, and today we are playing, what's it called? I actually forgot what this is called. How am I so retarded? Let's check real quick, guys. Cube Island Survival. Okay, let's go back to it. So, yeah, Cube Island Survival. Rescue thing, and let's start. Hopefully this ain't laggy. I only tested this once for like 10 seconds and that's all. So yeah. Okay. Oh! Is it gonna be laggy? It's kind of glitchy. Well, a little laggy, but ain't as bad. You know what? I need to go to my inventory. I forgot. What? It lied to me. So I have like an thing in my inventory. Don't waste all your energy. Don't waste all your energy. You picked up stone. Now I need to go punch a tree to death. Okay, let's see how long this takes. Ugh, this is so hard. Bam! Bam! It's easier to... I would usually think it'd be very, very long. But some reason it wants to be easy. Ooh, flower on me. Okay, let's... Oh. Wood. Fish. Cool. Campfire. Cool. Can I craft anything? I'd like to do that. Can I craft? Oh, okay. Campfire. I need another. How much is it to make? Ooh, rope. Okay, craft. Hopefully, I didn't craft rope for nothing. A boat. Ooh, cool. Metal trap. Sunflower seed. A bottle of water, flour, and fiber. Cool. Why would I want to make that? Well, maybe because this game is being retarded. Cool. Let's go over here. No, we gotta make something with this. 2 out of 14. Okay, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna make a floor. I ain't gonna find iron that quick. You picked up rope. Cool. Hey. I jumped so weird. I'm gonna see if you can make... Can I make stick? Stick? Stair. Box. Bed. Can I make stick? Sticks! Where do you get sticks? I saw a stick. Oh my gosh. Stupid ads. I wish I could, like, the screen recorder, it, like, stop. And then it would, like, what's it called? Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I suck at playing those games. I wish I could stop and I'd just skip all of this. I haven't made a video in a long time. A stick, there. I did it. Perfecto. Okay, let's go punch another tree to death. I'm actually gonna get an axe. Bang! Bang! Well, bang! Bang! Okay, this is what I was expecting was gonna happen to a tree. It was gonna take forever. Is my energy the same as this tree's health? Oh, cool. I picked it. You picked up fiber? You think I love fiber? You think I love fiber? No, I hate fiber. Save progress. Crap that. I'm gonna go to a tree, a real tree that doesn't give you fiber. So that's retarded. Ooh. What's that? Is that a wolf? What are you? Oh, I'm sorry. I am sorry. I never meant to bother. Ooh, a piggy. So piggy. So piggy. Oh, that's a mean piggy. Oh, that's not a piggy. That was hurting me. Jump, jump, jump. Eat it all. Eat all of it. I don't know where I'm going. Try to get me now. Why are you still after me? Wish I could climb a tree. Is that coal? What is that? But I can't do that. Am I okay? Am I okay? What is this? Is this like you picked up? Oh yeah. Yeah. I can probably make a fire. You know what? I'm just gonna look here for a while. See what there is. Hey. Okay. Look right there. This is what I'm gonna do. To make sure I am okay. I hope I am okay. I really hope I am okay. Am I okay? Yeah, I'm okay. We're going to sit here for 10 more seconds, I think. Skip this side. I'm going to try to do it in place. Oh! We're going to keep that on, so y'all can be contained. Be like, ooh, I want that game. Ooh, I want the game. When it's like 15-year-olds, you're going to want that game. My gosh. Oops. Okay. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Still gonna secure the area. What did I get? Can I make it? I need to go to weapons. Pick. Oh, guys, I need more. Let's go over here. Where's the stick? Where's the stick? Stick? Oh my gosh. We're out here. Oh my gosh. Can I beat this? Crap. I wish I could punch the metal to death. Cool. Okay, so the bullet would shoot from here to here. No. Whoa. Why your eyes on fire? His eyes are on fire.
Is that the new game? The one you just downloaded?
Today, guys, I'm not gonna survive. Stone. I need you. Boom. Boom. Yeah, I picked up iron. That's how easy it is to get iron. Okay, let me get some stone so I can start using a pick, because I need more iron. Wait. Oh my gosh. How is stone officially stronger than iron? I need to take ads off of this whole phone. Okay, let's go. Where everybody. Like and subscribe. Just kidding. It's not over. Hopefully it's not over. One day. Okay, guys. You know what we can do? We can make... I just collected stone. What else did I collect? I'm going to my inventory. I collected 4 pieces of iron. Okay, and 2 stone. Oh my gosh. I need to find some stone. Hopefully this is stone. No, I found stone. I found stone, guys. I finally found stone. This is such like a quicker game. It's like clickbait. Yes, I picked up iron. Where's stone at? Where the heck is stone? Why is stone so hard to find? And iron is so hard to find. This game is like, I'm realistic. Like, you have to do like...
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a YouTube video. Nana!
I doubt it.
Daddy.
If Daddy, if somebody's real close to the door, then that's Daddy.
Okay. Well, guys, I don't know what I got. I didn't kill it yet. Picked up iron. Crap. Bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Next video, we will make iron. I mean, a stone pick.